Do you have bruised bananas that you just don't want to eat? Well, instead of just throwing them out, why don't you turn them into amazing banana bread? It's delicious!
Okay, we are using 1/3 cup margarine or butter, and I am using stick butter, softened. And that is 5 1/3 tablespoons. 2/3 cup sugar. Two eggs. Always crack them open into something else, just in case you get eggshells in there, then you can take those out. We mix these ingredients together. Then you add your dry ingredients, 1 3/4 cup flour, two teaspoons baking powder, one-half teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. These are just the brands that we use or were available when we went to the store. I like to try to mix some of the dry ingredients just on top together so they combine a little bit easier before mixing them with the liquid ingredients on the bottom. And it might seem a little dry, but it's going to have that consistency until you add your mashed bananas. And this recipe makes 1 loaf of banana bread. Someone I used to work with brought this banana bread for us to taste, and everybody wanted the recipe. And of course, you might have guessed her name was Holly. I have help mashing the bananas. When the bananas are mashed, we put them into the bowl. And mix them well with the other ingredients. And this recipe calls for 3 bananas. We will post the recipe down below. And then I'm going to spray only the bottom of the loaf pan with ham. And spread it into the loaf pan. And this goes into a preheated 350-degree oven for approximately an hour. You might want to check it a little bit early